Yeah, I grew up in Kansas City, Kansas. I went to high school at F.L. Slagle High School, and after graduation I went to college at Kansas State University, so I'm a diehard Wildcats fan. Since 1989, it was kind of I say it was a fluke, or maybe I was tricked into it, but I'd applied for a management position, and then when I actually came in for the interview, it was for sales for Silo. In fact, this was Silo building. I trained in this building. And I think the thing that I like most about the electronics business is that it's constantly evolving and changing. So it's like toys for big kids. And I guess we're all big kids and we all like toys. Some of the changes I've seen, of course, going from the big box 300-pound televisions to now the very thin, maybe less than 35-pound televisions that you can hang on the wall. Of course, the fun thing about those is it's almost like when I was a kid watching cartoons with Jetsons, you know, when they would talk to each other on the televisions. You know, it's like that happens now. One of the other things that I really enjoy about working here is I'm kind of the merchandising manager here. I actually, as new merchandise comes in, new products, I'm pretty responsible for putting all the merchandise on the floor, organizing them, making sure everything works properly, and making it easy for everyone, make their job easier. One of the things that I like to do for a customer and is describe most of the TVs now are what they consider smart TVs, where they can actually go on and download Netflix or YouTube, or they can pull up Hulu Plus and watch their favorite sporting events. And also they can have Skype capabilities, like I had mentioned earlier about being able to talk to people in another state or even in another country through their television. I guess just seeing the excitement of them and getting their new television and all the capabilities that they know they have, that they can use it, and they can even use it as a big computer monitor, because all of them have PC inputs on them now, so they can actually get online wirelessly and search the internet. At Video Revolution, it's more of a personal experience because we're locally owned and operated. We have our own service center. And so their experience here versus a big box store is if they have any kind of service problems or questions, they can call us and talk to us personally and not get bounced around from person to person, like they would at a big box store. One of my most memorable experiences with helping a customer with a high-definition television was when a football game was in 3D, and having him put on those glasses and experience that game in high definition, the depth, and then having the players run right in and just him saying wow, and it's just exciting, the whole room, and everybody, all the rest of the customers had to run over to see what was going on because he was so excited. That was very fun for me.